Everyone seems to be in a hurry nowadays. All seems busy with their everyday lives. One must be in order to cope up with a changing world and survive. Too many people are preoccupied by the everyday problems of life. They struggle through their days with a sense of resentment. But as we push ourselves to live, we forget the one most important capital for us to move on: our health.
1998, may nakapa akong bukol sa right breast ko. Na-check up ko siya sa doktor at tinanggal siya based on sa biopsy, cancerous siya at malignant. So, ang advice ng doktor, kailangan palang tanggalin yung right breast ko. So, nakita nila, after the operation, stage 2A siya at kumalat siya sa ibang internal organs ko. So, ang sabi niya, kailangan daw akong i-chemo. So, na-experience kong i-chemo 6 shots every 21 days. So, after 5 years daw, sabi ng doktor, mauulit ang cancer ko. So, noong 2004, may nakapana naman akong bukol sa right arm ko and takot na ako magpa-chemo. Eksakto, may friend ako na nag-introduce sa akin about mushroom and that is Agaricus blazei morel. Ni-research ko to, 90% ang rate of recovery and 99.4% ang anti-cancer effect. And nung tinry ko siya, after 1 week, nag-improve ang health ko. And up to now, okay na ako and I'm totally healed.
Three years ago, nagkaroon ako ng cyst. Hindi ko pinansin yun, pero sumakit ng sumakit. Ang ginawa ng misis ko, dinala ako sa hospital. Tinest ng doktor. Ang findings, diabetic daw ako. Pero hindi raw ako pwedeng operahin dahil mataas ang blood sugar ko. At kung hindi ko ma-operahan yung araw na yun, ikakamatay ko. Kaya nag-alala yung misis ko. Kinakausap yung doktor na meron daw siyang alam na product na makakatulong sa pagbaba ng blood sugar ko. Agaricus blazei morel. Sabi ng doktor, sige maganda yun, sabay mo sa medication. Ginawa ng misis ko, pininom ako ng 2 sa umaga, 2 sa tanghali, 2 sa hapon. Pagdating ng alas 6, pumasok yung doktor, tinest yung blood sugar ko. Ang sabi ng doktor, bumaba na daw yung blood sugar ko sa 120. Nagtaka siya. Kaya dinala na ako sa operating room. Successful naman po ang operation ko. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos. Kung hindi dahil sa Agaricus, wala na ako ngayon.
I was diagnosed of a colon cancer April 28, 2003. And then the pain is severe. Na lahat ng kalamnan mo, grabe ang sakit. Buhok mo ala hindi makaramdam ng sakit. Nagsusuka ako ng 9 times na wala na akong isuka. And then pakiramdam ko yun na yung panahon na nagpaalam ako sa anak ko dahil katapusan ko na. Then somebody introduced to me a piece of mushroom na nagngangalan ng Agaricus blazei. So, sa akin na naguna sa punto na meron ng tani ang buhay, I took a chance. So, for 2 months, I start taking that mushroom. And then to my surprise, 2004, 2005, I don't feel anything anymore. So I visited my doctor. Diagnosed na ako ulit. And my doctor was surprised. And then my doctor asked me, ano ang kinain mo? I told my doctor, I took a mushroom, doc, that I considered it a manna from heaven.
Reality check today, if you look at
ailments or yung mga sakit-sakit. People get sick nowadays very rapidly. You see all these diseases coming up. You see outbreaks of new ailments and everything. People with cancer every now and then. You have people with heart problems springing up and about. These things are caused not because of age, which is the usual cause of ailments back then. People are getting sick today because of their lifestyles. Nobody's perfectly healthy today because of everyone's lifestyles. When you talk about lifestyle, you cannot avoid, you can't eat, you can't avoid going to fast foods, you can't avoid taking cola or soft drinks. You can't avoid, it's hard for people to stop smoking because of the stress that's generated by everyday life ngayon. You talk about communication, you have the cell phones, you have the internet, everything is stress related nowadays. And that's why most of the ailments that you see with people ngayon are lifestyle problems. It's hard for people, especially in this fast world. Everything's so fast, you have everything speeding up. Lifestyles are hard to change. But the only thing you can do to protect yourself right now is to add to your lifestyle. And when we talk about adding things which are healthy, like food supplements.
One nutritional company has surpassed the test of time and devoted itself in search of the best natural remedies the world has to offer. Classic Herbs Corporation. Established in 2002 with a mission to enhance quality of life and uphold the immeasurable value of good health, Classic Herbs took the challenge of providing natural wellness products for today's health concerns.
Everybody wants a healthy body, not for yourself alone, but for our family. The reason why we work is because we want healthy children, and we could have healthy children if we could provide them the proper nourishment they needed. And how could we provide so if we ourselves are always sick? A healthy body would always ensure that you could work to the best of your abilities. Getting sick means spending a lot of money and spending a lot of time not working. Nobody wants to get sick because we want to enjoy life the best we can. And you can do that with Classic Herbs Corporation.
With an entire powerhouse of products, Classic Herbs brings the rejuvenating properties of Agaricus Blazei Mirel for that natural healing. Add to that a full line of nutritional supplements, and you'll have a comprehensive and safe alternative for achieving better health and beauty naturally.
It should not be considered as an alternative. Kasi started with nutritionals. And when you say nutritional, so mga herbal extract yan, food supplements, or extract ng plants, extract ng vegetables, extract ng fruits. So basically, these are also food. The Agaricus capsule is a mushroom extract, and it has been said to be very, very effective as an immune booster.
Agaricus Blazei Mirel contains a lot of the beta-glucan. The beta-glucan is the one that will nourish your bone marrow. It will be the one to nourish your lymph nodes. It will be the one to nourish your immune system so that you could be producing a lot of the white blood cells needed by the body so that it could fight bacteria as well as cancer cells.
It also has a lot of enzymes na nakakatulong para yung mga normal chemical processes in the body mangyari because of the presence of these enzymes. Now, aside from that, marami din siyang minerals at vitamins na nakakatulong. Parang it's really a complete food. So, when you take it, para kang kumain na ng isang kumpletong pagkain because halos lahat na ng kailangan ng katawan mo, nandun na. That's why, even one capsule of Agaricus a day can help a lot or ease yung mga problems mo or pains or yung mga medical problems mo na tutulungan para makontrol siya.
So far, our experience with Agaricus has been short of miraculous.
We've started using this among cancer patients, and I have said na nakita na kami ng mga bedridden na nakatayo because of the product. And also, may mga pasyente na rin na nakita namin na yung mga tumor nagliitan. And We also have brain tumor patient who was told na 2 weeks na lang siya to live and surgery was highly advised on her. So far, magtatatlong taon na siya taking the immune booster Agaricus and also the other products of Classic.
In treating cancer, I combine the beta-glucan of Classic and its minerals, which is safe and a more natural way of treating cancer by increasing the natural killer cells that will kill the cancer cells, eliminating chemotherapy, which is non-selective in killing cancer cells and the good cells also. This is very safe. Also, it is very cost-effective.
The OptiBerry, on the other hand, is a very good antioxidant. And this is one way of getting over free radicals as well as toxins. Opti means optimum. If you want your optimum health back, take the OptiBerry. It will help you with your cardiovascular system. It will help you in fighting microorganisms, and at the same time, it will help you in fighting cancer.
Personally, I'm using glutathione for the main effect, which is an antioxidant.
Kaya lang dito sa atin, kasi Asian, more on ginagamit natin yung glutathione dun sa side effect niya. Yung side effect niya kasi is nakakakos ng whitening ng skin, which is nakakaganda talaga ng cuties. Because of its antioxidant effect, nakaka-reduce din siya or nakaka-prevent ng cancer, tsaka nakakalinis din ng liver. Mas maganda yung effect ng glutathione kasi 2-in-1. Prevention na siya ng cancer, tapos nakakaganda pa ng skin.
So, when I use glutathione, maraming nakikita yung mga tao sa change.
In cases of arthritis, many of my patients responded well in Classic product. Their joint connection really worked. It does not only relieve the pain, but it actually heals and rejuvenates the cartilage that was damaged.
I'm absolutely delighted with the enzymes. I discovered actually what enzymes do in the body. And I said, oh my goodness, so this is it. If you would like to live a long, healthy life, enzymes are absolutely essential. You cannot live long, you cannot live well without the enzymes.
Longevity is, I believe, one of the detox teas na talagang very effective. Okay? It has multiple herbs and therefore mas synergistic yung effect. So nagiging mas effective siya kaysa sa isa lang na product or isang content lang. Now, sa aking observation sa mga patients, there are patients na may arthritis, mataas ang uric acid, na nakalakad sila unti-unti because of the longevity alone.
So I started with the tea. And from there on, my cramps, because usually at night time, especially with the aircon on, always had cramps in my legs. Like, no more.
Nakakatulong din siya mag-detoxify ng intestine kasi pag first-timer ka at talagang madumi masyado yung intestine, mararamdaman mo na talagang parang nililinisan yung bituka mo. Kaya pati yung mga lumang dumi lumalabas.
Nature's Herbs Tonic Drink and the Nature's Herbs Plus. It is a product of 18 herbs blended together, fermented together. That's why it produces also a natural form of alcohol. People with lung diseases, yung mga people with problems with asthma, colds, coughs, it's very, very good for that.
Now, instant coffee is something na usually talagang natitake ng tao almost on a daily basis. It's something na nakagawian ng tao and it's something na hindi mo pwedeng basta tanggalin sa tao kahit nasabihin mo ganun siya ka-acidic ang level niya. But then, adding some supplements like Agaricus would actually parang negate yung kanyang acidity.
Now, those who are not fond of coffee can also seek refuge in our chocolate con Agaricus. And you will not find it only to be pleasing to the taste, but also pleasing to the body. Because since it has Agaricus extract also, you also have the numerous health benefits that Agaricus Balsamic gives in that wonderful drink.
Whether it's their recognized Agaricus Blazé Muriel products, other nutritional and herbal products, beverages, or distinctive line of beauty and personal care products, Classic Herbs Corporation brings the same class and uniqueness to everything they produce.